Storm wins Canada. The storm in Canada brought screams and terror. Many Canadians died under the storm. Many lost family and friends and homes. Fellow Canadians tried to find their families and a home to live safely in. As for the Canadian kids, they are both sick and hungry and can't find their parents. Some Canadians tried to go to the President of Canada, Stephen Harper, said that the government will try and pay for the most of the repairment bill. He will build up Canada again and give hope for the Canadians. He lost his house, wife and family and lives now among other Canadians. All his bodyguards died in the storm protecting him. Some of the survivors have gone crazy after losing their family and house and are now running around in Canada. Some people tried to stop them, but they were so much out of control they couldn't stop them. Insurance companies. The insurance company Jericho was now after the storm owed $24 million, now only owes $10 million. And that's all from here. Now to the weather with me. Thanks, me. And now to the Canada weather. As you can see, the storm that had raged on for hours has finally stopped. Some of the Canadians still stay inside because they fear that the storm will still be there. And for the Monday weather, it will be pretty darn sunny. So I would like all Canadians to prepare for a warm night. Maybe stay outside with a carpet and see the shooting stars. To the Tuesday weather, we have reports from the fire marshal that all of the citizens is to stay indoors because there will be a lot of water. There will be an overwhelming by water. The Wednesday weather, Canada will begin to snow. The children who wants to ice skate should seem to do it. And it would seem that the days of terror will finally be over by Wednesday. The Friday weather. The snow will still be here, and that weather will be mostly like give some of the Canadians sick. So we should put on some warm clothes for the Wednesday weather. Saturday weather. That day will indeed be a sad story for all Canadians. There will be a volcano outbreak. The volcano will destroy Canada. Stephen Harper has now fucked his last moments. That's all from here. It's gonna rain!
Nu.
Thanks, me. And now to the
Nej,
Canada.
vi cutter det. Jeg skal løbe i baggrunden, der kan kunne.
Nej!
Kom nu.
Vi skal gøre det ordentligt, Oliver. Jeg ved ikke. Det er en tøjse, det her.
Det der er næsten. Så strømpistolen med lys i.
Thank you, me. And now to the weather. The storm. Okay, vi prøver lige igen. Seriously, dude. Jeg synes, det bedre, hvis jeg var godt. Okay. And now, thank you, me. Now to the Canada weather. Here. Okay, vi går over filmer, fordi det går ikke. Jeg skal fandme, jeg skulle bange for det, når den står der.
Du hopper, jeg står bare.
Det er en roulator, det.
Rundt. Kan du ikke løbe foran, så til en anden?
Nå, det kan jeg da godt. Kan jeg prøve?
Nej. Må jeg lave weather?
Nej.
Jo, jeg har en idé.
Nej.
Jo, fordi news kan jeg ikke finde ud af. Det der, det er enkelte ord.
Nej, det er ej.
Okay, så prøv at læse den op.
Sunday weather. As you can see, the storm has raged on for hours, and it's light whistling going outside, and that's all from here. Back to you, Oliver. These are sorry. Monday weather. As you can see, down in Canada, it's sunny and prepare for a warm night. I would advise you. Kan vi bare...
Jamen, det filmer perfekt der.
Så står du bare her med den der, okay? Okay, prøv igen. Det føles forkert, det her. Det føles så forkert med, at den står der og sådan. Hvorfor? Det filmer jo stadig med. Okay.
Og du er ikke grine for mig.
Thanks, V. And now to the Canada weather. The storm that raged on for hours has now finally stopped. It's time for... Fuck det her. Jeg stiller mig der på terrassen. Jeg vil sgu da gå over omkring.
Bleh.